Squirrels may forget where they bury some of their nuts, but this simple habit helps trees grow and forests thrive. By collecting and storing seeds, squirrels spread nutrients across ecosystems, enriching the soil and supporting plant life. Squirrels unintentionally increase biodiversity by helping seeds spread far and wide. Even after wildfires, buried seeds from squirrels play a key role in regenerating forests. Squirrels do more than we realize. They're the unsung heroes of healthy ecosystems. Let's appreciate these tiny guardians of nature.